Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to multiply by e to the power of x on numerator and denominator. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Because we have this one, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one we keep the same. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u minus number 1. This one we change for the u. And now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over u minus 1, b over u squared, and c over u. Because we have the power number 2, that's why we need to have 2 fractions in here. Now we can do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about u squared, so capital A multiplied by u squared. About this one, it is missing about u minus 1. And the last one, so we need to expand this one and this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u squared, that is about a plus c. About u, that is about b minus c. And the last one, negative b. So we need to compare coefficients. We can see that there is only number 1. That means negative b equals to number 1. So we don't have u squared and u. So this one and this one equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So we got like this. Now after you got this one, we can put ABC goal here. So 8, that is about number 1. This one negative number 1. This one we have negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. So 1 minus 1, you got number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.